Welcome to Digital Design using Verilog. Before I jump into the material of the course, I just want to give you just an overview of what you will learn in this course. So this course has 2 points of focus. The first one is actually design, and we will go back to concepts you have already learned in digital logic design, and we're going to combine all these concepts, similar like concepts like the decoders, encoders, multiplexers, even flip-flops, finite state machines, registers, counters. We're going to take all these concepts together and design a little bit more complicated circuits and more complex systems, something similar to what you see on this figure in here. We're going to take them, connect them, build them in hierarchical modes, and so forth. So that's the design aspect of this course. So we'll take all of these concepts and design them on paper or on computer or whatever it's like you prefer to use. And then we're going to take this design and we're actually going to implement it. So the second focus of this course is actually implementing that system on some sort of a digital hardware. Okay, so we're going to take that design and we're going to implement it. So what do I mean by implementing it? Well, we're going to take that design and we will specifically write Verilog code. So the language that we choose for this course is Verilog. There's a few and more to come on that. But in short, we were going to be writing code similar to that, and then we're going to go through some sort of a software, and that software will interpret it, does give me some sort of an executable or what we call a bit file, and then we're going to put it on some sort of a digital hardware. Specifically, we're going to be implementing it on an FPGA development board, this particular one. And then we can test it in reality. We can actually go through these switches in here, the LEDs that you see in here, and so forth. This board has so many peripherals and inputs and outputs that makes development on it very, very easy. Testing on it will be easy, not necessarily development. It's like your design and development can be simple or can be as complicated as you want it to be. So in this week, before we jump into all of this fun stuff, I want to start by talking a little bit about what FPGAs and what CAD tools are. And FPGA stands for Field Programmable Gate Arrays, and CAD stands for Computer-Aided Designs. We're going to need these two throughout the semester so that we can design and implement. Specifically, these two are for the implementation steps. So we're going to use them to implement our designs.